Hello and welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use round robin in LeadMaster. So first, let's go to the Administration menu and go to Automated Record Assignments. Now yours might say something different, but I'm going to choose one of the round robin queues. And as you can see, we already have a couple of round robin queues already set up. And we're going to add a new round robin queue by clicking on this link right here. Give it a name and click Submit. And now we need to add people to the list by clicking on their name and clicking the Add button. You can also remove people by highlighting their name and clicking Remove. Also, if you highlight the person's name and click Default Assignee, that person will now be labeled as the default assignee, which means that if other people in the list don't meet certain criteria, then the record will be assigned to the default assignee. Click Submit, and now our round robin queue has been updated. Go back to the main screen, and you can see that you have a couple of options up here. The first one says, use the round robin queue to assign account managers when new records are being added. I chose use your choice because if you're planning on using workflow in LeadMaster, then you also need to choose use your choice. Never means that round robin queues will never be an option, and always means that you will always use round robin queues and ignore workflow. So remember, if you're planning on using workflow, then click user's choice. And account managers must be logged in to be selected for record assignment. I have mine unchecked because I want to be able to choose from my entire list of account managers. If this box is checked, that means that account managers must be logged in to receive a record. If no one in your list is logged in, then the record will go to the default assignee. But in this case, I want to be able to choose from any of my account managers, even if they aren't logged in. Now that I've shown you how to set up round robin queues, I also want to show you how to use round robin in the LeadMaster system. So first, I'm going to show you how to add round robin queues when importing leads. Go to Add Records and Leads, click Import Records, select a work group, browse the file, click Next. There's a separate video that goes over importing in greater detail. I'm just breezing through this quickly to show you the round robin queues. Choose your campaign. Once again, I'm going to go through this pretty quickly so we can keep moving forward. This is the page where you need to specify whether you want to use round robin or not when you are importing these leads. So here are our 3 different queues that we have set up in administration. I'm going to choose the Atlantic Reps round robin queue since we just set that one up. As well as you can also create another round robin for the partner reps, or choose one person to be assigned to all the new imported records. You can also click Send a Notification to let your account managers and partner reps know that they have these new accounts. But for right now, we're just going to click our Atlantic Reps, the one that we just set up, and click Next. And here we have our new records processed. Now if we go to accounts, I'm going to close that so we can see more. As you can see, here are our new imported contacts and companies. Although this may not seem like the round-robin queue that we set up, it all depends on how you set up your previous imported list. For example, I had mine listed by my contacts when they went through round robin in the import process, and now they're listed by company, so they're all out of order. Each person still has the same amount of leads though, and if you want to avoid this issue so you have the round robin going back and forth, make sure that however you set up your accounts page in LeadMaster matches what you're importing and how you've organized it. Now that I've shown you how to assign round robin through importing records, I also want to show you how to use round robin with workflow. So go to Administration, Marketing Automation and Workflow Management. And we are going to click Edit on assigning unassigned records via round robin. And this applies when we're updating the existing record. So first we have to look at the condition evaluated and then look at the resulting action. Now remember, because of workflow, there are many different ways that you can customize this information to create a system that will be exactly what you want from the LeadMaster system. For instance, marketing mix applies to a drop-down box in which assign leads via round robin is an option. It's option number 10. So according to this, when the marketing mix equals 10 or assign leads via round robin is clicked and the marketing mix is updated, which means that you simply click update and go, it will assign your leads via round robin. And the way that you create this is by clicking Field, Marketing Mix, equals, Assign via round robin, Insert, and Marketing Mix was updated. And click Save. Next, we need to look at resulting actions. To assign the record, we can edit, clone, or delete, or we can add another action. I'm going to click Edit. So from the Edit page, you can select the region, which in our case is Atlantic or Gulf. But in our case, ours already has the region attached to it. I'm going to choose the Gulf reps this time. And you can also have two different series of round robin queues. You can have one at the account manager level and the partner rep level. So you can choose your partner and also choose round robin queues if you have them set up. Click Save. Now let me show you what this condition is going to look like in the Accounts section. So go to Accounts. Here we have our imported leads, but beyond that we have some that are not yet accounted for. If you check a company and then click Update Records, you'll see Marketing Mix. And from there we can assign via round robin. Click Submit. Let me show you what that looks like with two in a row. As you can see, we have a list starting to form based on our round robin queue, which came from the workflow that we just updated. Now I want to show you another workflow option, this time in the form of a quick action. Click on an account to go to the sales update page. I'm going to show you the workflow behind this in administration in a moment, but first let me show you what this looks like from an account. As you can see, we don't have any account manager set yet. And under our sales activity, we have the quick action assigned via round robin. Check that and click update. Now you can see our record is updated and we have Dawn Hall as our account manager. If we do it again, it'll assign somebody different, this time Dick Bell. And you can continue doing that through your whole round robin queue. So now let's see what this looks like in administration. Go to Marketing Automation and Workflow Management. And we want to go to Assign via Round Robin Quick Action. The condition that we're evaluating is Assign via Round Robin was checked. And then we assign the record through the Gulf Reps round robin queue. And one more time, if we go back to Accounts, another way to do that same quick action is if you click one of the Take Action tabs. Let's scroll down to one down here, and I'm going to add a sales activity. And from here we have our same list that we have on our sales update page, and I can click the quick action and click submit. Now, as you can see, we have a new account manager assigned to this record. And this concludes the tutorial on the round robin feature in LeadMaster.